Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can make banana strawberry smoothie without yogurt. It is very easy. Here we have taken fresh strawberries, cow milk and some bananas. So now we will start making the recipe. It will maximum take your 2 to 3 minutes only. So watch the complete video for this amazing recipe. First of all, take a plate of fresh strawberries. Here we have taken 4 strawberries. You have to cut them. Now you have to add them into the mixer grinder. After this you have to take a banana. You have to take a medium size banana only and then cut into pieces. Add these pieces into mixer grinder. Now after this you have to add a glass of milk. You can also add 2 to 3 spoon of sugar. That is completely optional. Now you have to blend all these ingredients together to make a shake. Doing this for 10 to 15 seconds are enough to make it a shake or smoothie. Now we will see the color of this smoothie. It looks amazing. You can also add some ice cubes if you want. Now we are going to serve it in a glass. And your smoothie is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.